Tinder.
Howdy, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be putting new exhaust on this car.
Where is that music concert held again? Yeah, Cavalry.
It's gonna be pretty hard to do this one because
that he knows from coming in the shop and stuff. His daughter showed up
how
and he got her Instagram.
low it is.
I don't know if that's gonna go anywhere.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like I told him,
Pretty hard here.
you already know that in-laws are pretty chill, so like.
Or what?
His in-laws would be pretty chill.
Used to go to. Gotta do it.
Oh yeah, I dyed my hair blonde.
What's that?
Couldn't
I think he
tell.
went to Bible school to find a wife. Found.
It's a wig. It's a wig.
Do you notice they're
I
finally
like
starting
to tell
slay
people
off
it's my
on
real
them?
hair.
B or BB or something.
What, Johnny?
Have you guys noticed they're finally starting to lay off on the go to Apple Christian wife?
And she wasn't even a student there. She was a
Simple cut
secretary.
here.
The dean or something.
I'm just kidding.
Well, first he dated
So I cut it off there.
actually a relative to like Brad Jones's cousin. Apparently that didn't work out. Started dating.
That seems bigger.
How many years did Mike and, how many years did Sam and Mike Rice go?
Probably, who knows,
Who's Mike Rice?
5. I'm sure she would have married him, but he's just,
Well, she's very happy with Tom.
well, I'm sure, yeah. But I mean, I'm sure she would have married Mike. I'm just guessing, but I'm sure he was just so non-committal. And then they finally decided at whatever age, that, and they finally met somebody and said yes. I have no idea what she's like.
Wendy is her name though.
When I was getting
So we're gonna cut like we're gonna cut like that much off.
Girlfriend, man, like,
Just a
what's
little
the date
tip
like
here.
with John Earson? Like, it doesn't exist. He's like, what? It's my dude. Why not? And I'm like, I just don't meet people, I guess. And he's like, dude, what? I mean, like, you're not a bad looking guy. Like, you could pull it off. Like, go out and meet some girl. Like I don't really wanna. And he's like, come on. Like, you know you wanna go out find some daddy's girl and like treat her right. And I'm like, dude, shut up.
There we go. We got this
And it's
one
like,
done.
Of course, the one other person getting a tattoo is some girl, like, and she's just laughing so hard. Like this guy's getting he's getting such a rough time from his tattoo artist. Like,
So you're gonna hold off on the tattoos till the cars get coming off?
You should have just
And
told
your
him.
phone is paid?
I don't have anything chosen.
You should have just told the tattoo guy, I'm just looking for the right woman. She's got to be 25 and a
girl on another
virgin.
table to a T.
Did you hear me? 25 and a virgin.
Ugh.
Why does he want 25? He's only 22.
Well, I'm just making up a number. Then they would laugh at you.
What would, you're 8 years apart. Why would you say that?
What
Like,
is,
right, Beth?
What is that one friend of yours doing? Is she still working with Matt? I was thinking about her that one day.
Me?
Yeah.
Who, me?
Ginger, that Ginger.
Ooh, Jamie Bradley.
Oh.
Good old.
Alrighty, we're back, guys.
She's an older lady. Like, I just want to know how old is your mom. I'm like, she's 65.
What am I
And she's like, oh, okay. You're calling me. I'm 65.
What did you do to your hair?
He said, what?
Huh?
Your hair?
Huh?
Oh yeah.
What'd she say?
You like the new hair?
Well, wait, where did you stop?
Like the
What
mullet?
is it?
Well, she said,
It's just a wig, but
why do you go out and help your...
Oh, well, no.
It-
She said.
Oh,
it's a mullet. It's a new mullet.
Like physical stuff because she's an older lady.
I know what Brad does help right now.
And I was wondering,
Oh.
like, how old is your mom? And I told her 65, and she's like, okay, I'm 55. I just had to make sure you weren't calling me an old lady.
Who's 55?
Joel.
Nice.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome
I just
Oh, you didn't say she was.
told her.
Oh,
So she shouldn't be doing it. Yeah, you can't get
So how are you doing, guys?
I feel like you're good. You're
Good.
Yeah.
You know you'll stop getting those checks from Social Security.
You ever bench press?
I don't get any.
Well,
I think like
Laying down.
well, you know the money you
Not
get
very
from Social
much, but I
Security.
had one friend, we
They'll
were
stop
doing
it.
this.
alright, I'm finished.
I'm okay with that.
And she was out
Hold on.
laughing
You're
and
almost
stuff
eating.
anyway.
Yeah.
And she's so trying to bench
Like
press like this and,
Oh.
and she starts laughing and she said, I need help you guys, I'm stuck here.
So
And
what-
I just thought she was teasing.
What alphabets, how do
Somebody
you,
help her.
have they accepted?
No, I really mean it, I'm
I
stuck.
think they're just processing
You
my
know, it was
application.
laying on her and she couldn't get it off.
That's what they said.
Dude, she was about to die, and she's just laughing like, ha ha
I
ha.
need help here, you guys.
Man, now it's like
Alright, we're done, guys.
there's a bunch of like videos of
Beth, when I was at Bible school,
some dude
There was
who's getting ready
well,
to
I haven't
dress,
seen
and
the whole
you
year.
will have loaded it too
It was from
heavy,
a
and you'll start
foreign
dropping
country.
on him, like
The
8
only
degrees
reason they
right
have
over his
alphabets
face, and
is-
you can't get it off, and they're like,
I don't know how he got referred there. He didn't really know
Have you
anything
heard the story about what
about being a Christian.
How do you get accepted then?
A lot. You can get accepted at alphabets.
And I didn't see it,
Well,
they always gonna
I mean, I suppose.
Alright, thank you
I
guys.
suppose even on your.
Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next one.
I mean,
I'm gonna let
They
Josh
probably
out.
still accept
Peace.
you because they want to.